How to change caption, subtitle, text size and style on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on hearing enhancement. So after click on hearing enhancement, scroll down and click on live caption. So after click on live caption, scroll down and click on caption preference. So after click on caption preference, so you will see click on caption size and style. So after click on caption size and style, click on text size. So after click on text size, so you will select very large. So you will see. So you will select very small. So you will see text is very small. So you will select large. So you will see, and small is here. So select normal. So after click on normal, click on caption style. So you will see 6 different caption style is here. So you will select style from here. After select size, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change caption, subtitle, size, text and style on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.